What the fuck am I doing here? This is like that Moscow hotel room where a bunch of whores pissed all over Donald Trump. I mean, this is what you get for being Alec's friend. On nights like these, you expect your friends, the people you've worked with closely, to show up. Tina Fey, Tracy Morgan, Thomas the Tank Engine, Meryl Streep. Not one. Instead, we have a group, you can't even find them on Wikipedia. and like, who are these people? I mean, who the fuck are you? Ann Coulter, everybody. Nikki is what's known as a dirty comedian. And I don't mean her material. I mean she hasn't washed a pussy since Memorial Day. Caroline Ray.
Oh, God.
Caroline.
Oh, God.
Caroline did over 160 episodes of Sabrina the Teenage Witch. That's a lot of teenagers. Not R. Kelly numbers, but still. Pretty impressive. Sean Hayes.
I'm over here.
Over here. I was in Goodfellas. I'm guessing Sean has also been in Goodfellas. And some bad fellas. And more than a few sailors, I'm sure. Caitlyn Jenner. Now, there's something different about you, but I can't put my finger in it.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Comedy Central wanted to have Caitlyn on a roast after her surgery, so now they can pay her 20% less. When I did Raging Bull, I had to gain 60 pounds in 4 months. Jeff, what's your excuse? Ken DeJong once stopped his stand-up show to help a woman in the audience who was having a seizure. Hey, if a seizure is what it takes to stop him from doing stand-up, I'm for that. Adam Carolla. Adam promotes a drink called the Brose Cocktail. Finally, a light, refreshing summer drink for date rapists. And now, for the only true movie star on this stage, me,